Hi, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, to do another unboxing of Diamond Dotz as requested. You guys are awesome. You have requested for me to unbox more Diamond Dotz. So I have two more unboxings for you. Both of them I got at a Walmart. Not my Walmart, but one in a local Walmart and the other one in a Tennessee Walmart. I don't know why our Walmart don't normally stock them, but when they do, it's only for like a minute. And they don't really go on clearance. They just disappear. So I don't know, but when we travel and we go anywhere and we go by a Walmart, I'm like, can we please stop so I can check the clearance? Because you know I need more. No, I do not. So that's just the way it is. So I am going to unbox two more. So this one is Flutterby pink, and it is a butterfly. Let's see if you can see it. Okay, so let's unbox this one. I like butterflies, so that's probably why I got this one. Hold on one second. Okay. All right. Let us look at the canvas. And it is a partial in typical Diamond Dotz fashion. You don't put any diamonds there, only the butterfly. So, only the butterfly. And it has no special drills. It has 28 colors, no special drills, but you know me, when I do this one, it will have a special drill or two, because that's just the way it is. You get your typical toolkit, and these are our colors. I'm getting good at putting these back in, but only because they're small. Okay, so let's bring it down a little bit. Okay, so here are the colors. Let's see, can you see them better that way or like that? Well, kind of both. Here are some pretty ones coming up. Here are some purples. I think Diamonds by Tita would like this one. I know she likes florals, but she also likes purples and lavenders. All right. Okay. Drills. What are we doing? Look at this. I'm getting them back in. And your toolkit goes back in. This is very pretty. Very pretty. But this butterfly is not going to be the same on both sides. It's going to have similar shades on both sides, but it's going to be slightly different on both sides. It is a 30.5 centimeter by 30.5 centimeter, or 12 by 12 inches. And that is the image measurements. This is a soft, it feels scratchy, but this is not as tough as some other ones I've gotten. It's really soft. Not as soft as the more expensive premiums, but it's a nice one, and it is from Shutterstock. Beautiful, beautiful picture. So this one is a 12 inch by 12 inch, and it is a partial. It's 28 colors, and it has 4,338 drills. Yep, that's it. 4,338 drills. This probably take me 2 days to do, 2 sittings. Yeah, that's what I feel. I feel like it would be 2 days. And this did not come with instructions, which means I probably unboxed it at another time. You know, Diamond Dotz has got instructions in every language possible, pretty much. Okay, there we go. The only problem with this not having glue all the way, this plastic sometimes comes up. There we go, I got it. So there we go. Flutterby Pink by Diamond Dotz. Do you guys have this one? All right, the next one is one that a lot of people have been asking for. And that is Floral Garland Fox. Look at her. Oh, I can't wait. I don't think I've unboxed this one, but I may have. This is one that I personally can't wait to do. Oh, I have unboxed it, I think. I'll be able to tell in a second. Yep, see how that's all ripped up. Okay, let me explain. These are extra drills that I got at Goodwill. They had a bag of extra drills, and it had about 3 or 4 of these baggies with Diamond Art Club drills in them, which is why I bought them, because they were all fairy dust and ABs. So I bought them and just added them to my leftover drills. And I happened to notice the color scheme is the same as this fox. So these are just extras for this canvas in case I run out. But Diamond Dotz is usually pretty good. Here's your instructions. And I'm going to roll, and this is even more soft than Flutterby in pink. Flutterby pink. This is a really soft canvas. It is not hard, rough anywhere. It's just super, super soft back here. And I love the way it feels. Here is our fox. She is beautiful. This one is 28 centimeters by 28 centimeters, or 11 inch by 11 inch. And it has 36 colors. And it has no A, B's, or no special drills. But she's got to be blinged up. Got to be blinged up. But I think I'm going to bling up the wreath around her. Not really her. I'm going to do the wreath, and maybe that'll make her pop. You know what I mean? So, yeah, so if you look at this should, no, yep, this should be the same, and it is. Yep, 36 colors, all the same symbols. So these are truly extra drills if I need them. If not, they will be used in an ASMR video. Okay, these colors are, well, I can show you right here because we have all of them. Let me turn this over because they're hard to see. There's a black, a blue, so whoever did this doesn't even kit up. She just uses, or he, just uses the bags. Which is how I started out. But and Diamond Dotz has their own numbers. But there is, if you go online, there is a conversion if you save them. Or if you run out, you can just convert the number and then go to your leftover stash and find your missing drill. Or contact me. I probably have some. So that's your colors. And they are pretty. Like I said, these are leftovers. So once I complete the kit and I don't need them, I will just add them in an ornament. Because that's what I do with the leftovers. I do my ASMR video with the leftovers. But like I said, I only bought them because it had like 3 or 4 other bags like this in it, and it had leftover Diamond Art Club special drills. So they must have been a mini kit that they had, because the Dazzles have the ABs and fairy dust. So one more look at our fox. Just beautiful. She's going to be really pretty. Okay. Again, it's 28 centimeters by 28 centimeters, 11 inch by 11 inch. It's a partial, 36 colors, 5,503 diamonds. 5,503 diamonds. You don't diamond paint the edge, just the picture. So, and there's our toolkit. This one also came with those special, the 3 new dotting tools that they have started to include. So you get your 3-placer, I think this is like a 5-placer, and then your straightener. And then your big pad of wax, your squishy, and your pen. So this is Floral Garland Box by Diamond Dotz. And this is also a Shutterstock image. Come on. Smoky dokey smoky. So let's put those in there. This is going to be so cute. I'm thinking about doing like Lazy Retired Granny, a Diamond Dotz event. She does it on the weekends. I think she does Diamond Dot weekends. So that is, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these, but they're great for, because most of them are not 30 by 30 centimeters, the actual project itself, so they won't qualify for a lot of events. So these are great for when I'm doing big projects. I like to do these little ones. So, okay. This is Floral Garden Fox, Flutterby Pink, and I am pampered with diamonds. I like it a lot. And most importantly, be kind to everyone you meet. Thank you for watching.